Alright, today we have the unboxing video of the Debert Sterile, which is an homage watch to the Omega Seamaster 300 Spectre edition. So this one nearly took 3 weeks to get home from Hong Kong to California. So I mean, it was very well wrapped, as you can tell here. So let's get this thing open. Alright. Go ahead and open this real quick. This thing is very well wrapped here, so I'm just going to go ahead and tear right through it. Alright, and here it is, as you can see. Let me go ahead and get this open, get it out of there too. So you can see it's very well wrapped and well guarded, and which is very nice, so the watch doesn't get damaged. Alright, let's get it open. Alright, of course, another layer of plastic, and then finally we have the watch right here. As you can tell, it's very beautiful. There you go. There you are. You can see the, of course, the 0 to 11 dial with the bezel, which is exactly like the Spectre edition. They have the lollipops seconds hand, and you can tell it's also a sandwich dial as well. It's very shiny too. Let's see what's back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic here. So this is a Debert, or whatever it's pronounced, however it's pronounced. But I also got the version where there is no logo right here, so that looked better. I think the one with the logo was just way too tacky. It didn't look too good with it, so I'd rather just get the one without it. Alright, so let's go ahead and just try the bezel and see how well it is. Alright, so you can obviously tell that it's very cheap compared to the luxury end watches, and even other Seiko watches, which is like about 100 and above. But I mean, it's still a decent watch. I like the look of it, and it looks perfect. What I don't like is, I do not like this blue part here on the crown. So let's try to see the screws out. Alright, so it is a screw down crown. And first click is for the date. So today is, oops, so the video got cut off because of my alarm, but let's go back to here. So today it's the 13th, so I'm going to go ahead and just wind that back to the 13th. So every time there's a new date here, when it goes to the next one, it is a little click, so you can tell that's changing. Okay, so 31 days. So that's 13th. And then go ahead and just change the time right here, which is about 9:30. Alright, let's go put the thing back in. And screw that back on. Alright. So when just moving the setting the time here, I realized that the minute hand is actually very long. It touches all the way almost to the tip here of the bezel. It's very nice. You can flip the back here in the case. Try to take this off. So you can tell the strap isn't very well, but I mean, who cares? I can always change the strap anytime. So, but this is absolutely a work of art here. Even though it's not the original thing, I still believe it's very beautiful. View that, and there you go. That's the movements there. I think this is the 821 Miyota movement. So even though it came from Hong Kong, it still had the Japanese movement, which I really love. There you go, and here it is on the side view. So some people say it's a bit domed. I guess you can tell from that, but it's more on the flat sides to me. Again, I really don't like this blue tip right here. I wonder if I can just remove it somehow. Alright. You can tell it's very shiny as well. Very glossy. There it is. That's the Debert Sterile, which is the homage to the Omega Seamaster 300. Thanks for watching.